Maseches Nazir Daf Samach. The Gemara says, Shalu Talmidov. As Reb Shimon ben Yochai, Nazir Tohu U'Mitzoiro. Mahu Shigaleach Taglachas Achas V'Oilu Lo Lukan Lukan Kur on Nazir Tohu that's a Mitzoiro. B'Megaleach one Taglachas and it should be Oilo for Nazirus and for Mitzoiro. I the besproken stencils that asks on that's mavur in the Rambam that if you hold taglachas of a nozer could be oile even for taglachas of a mitzoiro, then even by a nozer tome and the mitzoiro, the taglachas would work for Nazirus tum and for mitzoiro. And the Biskrov asks, that's very hard to understand because the Rambam further in the Lochiyud Gimel is Mavur that Nosetome, that's a Mitzoiro. You have to wait 7 days for Nazirus Tum and for Mitzoiro, and it's not Oilu Lekan or Lekan. And the B'chaim explained, like we mentioned, the Shir El Daf Yud Ches, that's Mavur, tremendous Yisoid in this Rambam, that and the Nosetome has to wait 7 days is not the Pshat, that's a Hichatimtza for him to be Metaher, rather there's a din minion of 7 days of a Nozitome. If that's the case, a Nozitome and a Mitzoiro can't Megaleach Taglachas Achas V'Oil Lekan since they have independent days. So how could one Taglachas Oil Lekan? The Biskrov is Meirich, and he has many other kashas, and he proves that the Shail of the Gemara is not if two mitzvahs of a giluch of nozer and giluch of mitzvah could be oil lekan, rather the suffix of the Gemara is on the ikr chalois nazirus if it's oil echad with the yomim of the mitzvah. And he explains that there's a sugi before in Daf Yudale that the Gemara has a machloikis of a nozer that's a mitzvah, and he becomes tomei b'toich yemei tzaras. If the tumah at the time of tzaras is it seiser or not, and the Rivon explains the sheet of Reish Lakish that holds it's not seiser, is because since at the time of the yemei tzaras the nose is oimit for taglachas of the mitzvah and not for taglachas of the naziros, so therefore the din mitzvah is a hafkor for the Chalais Naziros, and therefore the Tumah at the time of Tzaras is not a stira to Yemei Naziros. And Biskov says, you see from this Rivon, that without the fact that the days of Tzaras are a stira to Yemei Naziros, that even though the Yemei Tzaras is not oiluf in Yeminian Naziros, nevertheless, if he's nitma on the Yemei Tzaras, it's a steer to Yemei Naziros, and specifically because since the days of Mitzvah need a taglachas by itself, so therefore it's considered a hafkor for the Yemei Naziros, and it's not soisi Yemei Naziros. And according to this, Biskov explains that's mavur in the Rambam that we mentioned before, that a nozer tomei that's a mitzvah, that the Yemei Tzaras is not only in the Yemei Tumasa, it's not the pshat that since he's tomei and is missing kedushas nazirus, so therefore can't be oila Yemei Tumasa. Rather, the understanding is that the Yemei Tzaras, since he's oimit for taglachas of mitzvah, the Yemei Tzaras is afkor on the din of nazirus, and therefore it's not oila for Yemei nazirus of tumah. And according to this, Biskrov says that that's specifically if the Yemei Tzaras needs its own taglachas, so by the fact that Yemei Tzaras needs its own taglachas, that defines that Tzaras is a stira to Nazirus. So according to the Tzad the Gemara, the taglachas oil lekan, the Tzaras is not a stira to Yemei Nazirus, so it's shabir, not a contradiction. The Yemei Tzaras to Yemei Nazirus b'chlal and shabir oil and ke'echot. Moving further on, the Rishash is a tremendous kasha on the Gemara. What's the Gemara's suffix? Nozetor Mitzoiro. Could you make one taglach and should be oilo, lekan for Naziris and for Mitzoiro? The halacha is that a nozer could only megaleach on one of the dom of his korban, and a Mitzoiro before his megaleach He's a muchlit and he can't mishalech korban like it's mavur in the Gemara and with cotton daf tesvav. So since a Mitzvah can't bring a korban, so how does it pass? Giluach of onozi b'chlal. So there's many mahalchim and achronim to answer this kasha. Our Sameach proves b'das Rambam that not only can a Mitzvah not bring a korban, but if he brings a korban, it's not hurtza. And therefore, for Mitzvah, we makriv v'chatos, or osham b'chutz, he's not even shchutei chutz because it's mechus zman, since this korban is not chozi b'fnim, so therefore, he's not even shchutei chutz. And it says it's like chatos and osham that's brought lachamisa, that the korban's possible, so therefore it's not considered roi b'fnim, and you're not even shchutei chutz. However, or shlomim, if a Mitzvah shechts b'chutz, he's chayiv, because since it's chozi b'fnim to be shalmi nedava, so therefore he's chayiv b'chutz, it's considered chozi b'fnim. And according to this, Sameach says that since Reb Shimon the Shitosei on that memvov is mavur, that he holds that a nozer could be makriv on shalmi nedava, so therefore a shlomim that's brought b'tich yumei tzaratoi is lower than the Shalmi Nedova, and a Mitzvah could be megaleach on a Shalmi Nedova according to Shimon, so it's also hative that a Nozir could be megaleach on the Shalmi Nedova. And the Chazon Yechezkel that says a different teretz to answer this kasha, that it could be referring to a Nozir that was makriv his karbonos on the day of Yemlois Yimei Nizroi, and he didn't have time to megaleach. And before he had a chance to megaleach, he became a Mitzvah. So therefore, the karbonos were brought before he was a Mitzvah. So it's not shver that a Mitzvah can't bring karbonos. Ein ben Chizborach, that's Meirich in this kashan, he's mitzaded to say that the whole halacha that a Mitzvah can't bring his karbonos is the Rabbanon. And Ein the Biskurov in stencils that brings from his brother Moshe, that said the answer to this kasha is that a Mitzvah can't bring karbonos is specifically karbonos that are not michoivas Mitzvah. However, the karbonos of a Mitzvah could bring, and therefore he says that it's mavur in the Rambam, that a oilo, that a Mitzvah brings even not at the time of his chiyuv of Mitzvah, nevertheless has a status like a krovas korban of Mitzvah, since the oil is a doyer, and even v'mei sifroi, it has a status of a korban of Mitzvah. So on that's mavur, that a Mitzvah can't bring his karbonos is specifically karbonos that are not michiyuv of Mitzvah. However, the karbonos that are machmas chiyuv Mitzvah could bring, so it's also hated that a Mitzvah could bring a korban oil since it's a doyer and v'ayin shamoit. Moving further on, I in the Sefer Peres Teina that brings an interesting chakira in the Sefer Beisa Uitzer from a base of angle that declares the chakira is it possible to do one maisa and be mekayim two mitzvahs with one maisa. I in the Shurim Megillah Daf Gimel and Daf Zayin that we brought up Shlomo Kluger learns that the reason why the Mevatel Talmud Torah, the Mikra Megillah, and when you say that Mikra Megillah is also Talmud Torah, and Shlomo Kluger said the answer is, according to the Tzad and the Achronim, that one Ma'aseh mitzvah can't be Mekayim two mitzvahs, so therefore if the mitzvah is Mikra Megillah, it can't be a mitzvah of Talmud Torah as well. I understand the El. On Daf Gimel that we explained, the Yisei Dvarim is that's bichal in the mitzvah that this is a mitzvah of Talmud Torah or Mikra Megillah and can't be oil shnayim. And Sefer Beis Ha'oitzer is Meirich in the Shaila in Biur Raya of the Gemara in Sukkah Daf Mem Daled that ein oil odem yotzi de chivos arova with arova shebalulav, and you have to put down the lulav and pick up the arovas again, and what can be yotze b'vasachas, so it's mashma they can't be yotze two mitzvahs b'vasachas. And basically Engel brought a raya from Agmor over here that what's it sad in the Gemara that you can make one taglachas and be oile for mitzvah and for nose, it's mashma that one mice you can make haim two mitzvahs. The choyish litchois that over here the mice mitzvah is not the actual mice, rather the result that the nose and the mitzvah the hair should get caught. And since it's not a mice mitzvah, you can't compare it to other mitzvahs that the mitzvah is actual mice. And according to the Biskarov that we mentioned before, that the Shaila Gemara over here is not if one mice could be oil from mitzvah and from Naziris. Rather, the Gemara is clearing a Shaila mitzvah the Iker Cheftza over mitzvah and Naziris is the Yomim mitzvah for not. So it's also hate if it's not a raya to the suffix of base of Engel B'chlal.